What do you have your clearance at again?
Client gauge set at 20.
Okay. I sprayed these peas on Monday and today is Friday. And it's been hot and sunny and these peas are drying down. So we got one combine out here, tried them, said, yep, we're going. So we're bringing the other combine here. We got 2 trucks in the field. These hollows were grass green when I sprayed them, but they're drying up too. We'll leave them out for now. By the time well, this is just a 60-acre patch here. Big fields on the other side of the yard. I guess by the time we're done, the big field come back and then put these through. I guess we'll see. But they're standing okay, cutting fairly well, right on the ground basically. Have the header riding on. I keep calling them bogey wheels, but they're not bogey wheels. They're actually contour buddy wheels. So the header will be, that is your height control. I gotta unlock this header before I do anything here. Could have put it down, that would have been smart, eh? I got it. We're riding on the contour buddies and the poly. See, my dad's just shaving the ground and it's doing a pretty good job. It's dry, like it's just powder. I can shut my beacon off as I open my hopper. Set my contour buddies to 1.5, that's the gauge at the end there. Just before the 2. Get it all set here. And low range 350. Let's speed it up just a bit. Yeah, let's go 400,000, 18.9. Yeah, let's try that. Not in the same field. That's okay. That's a great sound. What the hell was that? What the heck was that sound? It's gone. I'm gonna have to really be on the reels. Also the header height, because there is some gophers here. Yeah, hate that gopher mound. They're going in there. Feeding not too bad. Yeah, a little bit on the reels, both up and down and in and out, because it's flat there and it's all fluffy there. They're dry. They're 11.3. High 50s for yield, which is crazy. That was kind of my early assumption on yield, and then it got so dry I was thinking 40s, we'd be doing pretty good. Not bad for cracks. Some pods still in there. Pretty clean. Not many green peas or pods. Grasshoppers. It's filling up. Trash management for next year's seeding starts now. We're gonna have to seed through this, and it does not like to seed through pea stubble when there's a lot of pea stubble left. It's okay like that when there's not much, or like that, but it's when the peas are laid right over and there's quite a vine left that it's tough seeding through, especially if it's damp conditions or cloudy or a little bit wet. Sprayer tracks like to fluff it up. Oh, there it goes. Probably the best would be if I cut it north and south, but I'll try like this for a while. And when it fluffs it up, sometimes it won't feed under the real support arm. Like that. That one was not too bad. That's full. Did you dump once or twice since I've been gone?
I've unloaded twice, so that you could just put it in the western start because a full hopper won't fit in the hold of the trailer.
Okay. This is always so dirty. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. Not many green ones. The green ones are pretty firm. Some grasshoppers. Yeah, that looks actually pretty good. Pretty nice sample. There's my camera. Full load. Oh yeah, there's the full bin alarm. I think I'm over the truck. A little bit of canola in there, that's okay. And now we're gonna sell them for $9 when it could have been 12. Hopper's full, trucks are gonna be full, thrashing peas, riders on the radio. This is what it's all about. Morning. Doing a few things this morning. One, spraying wheat. 2, I'm making more tracks than I should. 3, I'm looking for a moose. Because I got drawn for moose in this zone. But I have not seen any as of yet. But I know they're here. Because there's always moose here. But it's a little hot and it's a little early for them to be crawling around. The wheat still looks pretty good. But the head filling really took a hit this last month when it got dry and hot. Yeah, not only did it get dry, it's plus 30 every day. Look at the cracks in the ground. So take a couple heads, 2 heads. Like there's, where is it all? Not much in there. And if you can take your thumbnail and press it into the kernel and the impression stays, then it's good to go. That is the thumbnail test. A little bit of weed control. Gonna ripen these bottom guys up, which won't really make anything anyway. Get that green out of there. Look at the size of this muley. I'll video him through my binocs so you can see him. Holy. He's nice. No drop time. Oh man, he's big. He's coming this way. Sorry, it's a little shaky. It's like 8 times zoom on an iPhone. The things I do to make these videos. That last shot was for you. I also wanted to see if I could do it. Thunderstorm's supposed to roll through this afternoon, which is not ideal for combining peas or spraying. But what are you gonna do? What I am gonna do is reload the sprayer now and take the water truck home, because I'll be out of water, and that'll be my ride home. And then I just have one more quarter up here to spray, so it'll be full and ready for whenever I can come back. And it's raining. Good thing the rain fast on the Roundup Weather Max is about 5 minutes.